I'm John Bowling, president at Olivet Nazarene University, and for many years a board member at Riverside. My first introduction to Riverside Medical Center was as a teenage boy, when my mother and father brought me from my little hometown in Ohio to Kankakee so I could start college. The day after my folks went back home, I became ill, and that night, sometime after midnight, I was taken to the new hospital in Kankakee, Riverside. The next morning I had emergency surgery and ended up spending a week in the hospital and another week and a half or so recuperating on campus before finally starting my college career about 3 weeks behind everyone else. Well, I was able to catch up and graduate after a few years, and then sometime later I became president of the university and was able to serve as a member of the board of directors at Riverside for many years. I know the Riverside heart. I experienced it as a young man. It's not all about Riverside in the sense of how do we get market share, or how does this make us look, or how do we get positioned for some new initiative. The real heart of Riverside is how can we best meet the needs of the community. You know when you work with Riverside, it's going to be done right, and that's very engaging. It gives one confidence then in the medical side as well. If they care for the little things around the hospital, how much more important are the big things when I'm a patient or I'm there with a family member.